bada boom. My name is Ryan and this is my name Tomato. Hi, my name is William Mazin and I am a chef now. I'm learning how to make some omelets for you guys. First, I'm gonna crack an egg. Second, I'll do the mixing. What's this? I used to work in Isaac as an ex-student from Isaac Young Middle School. I learned my experience for cooking, learned about these knives, but a chef. Now I'm gonna put some oil in the pan. When I was with my dad, named Rick, if you've seen this video, we've been making chicken cutlets and food noodles like pasta, like all different foods that we've been making too. I'm doing the same thing over here with my goddess. I want you to make everyone happy. I'm making everyone here, us working here, to have some free omelets. Now I'll put the eggs in the pan now.
Okay.
Now I gotta take this now. A presentation.
What are you wearing?
A black polo, black pants and shoes.
And the most important part?
An apron, don't want to get messy. I'm gonna warm the eggs with my plastic spatula. Now put the cheese in the eggs for the cheese omelet. Now we're gonna wait when the egg omelet is gonna get cooked with the cheese inside. You're gonna use a towel to make sure the handle's hot. Bada bing, bada boom, I made some omelette because omelette. Thank you for watching. Come back soon.